Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you one of the most impressive cordless lawn mowers I've used in a long time. This is the Wild Badger Power 40 volt brushless cordless lawn mower, and it's definitely designed to give you professional level cutting power without the noise, fumes, or hassle of gas. If you're tired of dealing with cords, pull starts, or maintenance, this mower is built to make your yard work faster, cleaner, and much easier. I'm absolutely in love with this thing. Wild Badger Pro was created to bring professional grade performance to everyday homeowners and smart business owners without forcing you to overpay. Their team focused on solving the biggest problems people have with outdoor power tools. And that's exactly what this mower delivers. Let's start with the power. This mower uses a high-performance brushless motor that delivers up to 3,400 RPM. That gives you 20% more power compared to standard motors. And it lets you cut thicker grass faster and more evenly. Because it's brushless, you also get that less heat, longer motor life, and up to 30 minutes of runtime on a single 40-volt battery. That means fewer stops and more time actually mowing. One of my favorite features is how fast this thing charges. The 40-volt battery charges fully in just 60 minutes, so you're not waiting around all day. You can mow, recharge, and get back out there quickly, which is perfect if you have a busy schedule. Another thing that really stands out is how easy it is to adjust the cutting height. This mower has 5 cutting height settings, ranging from 1.5 inches to 3.5 inches. All you have to do is pull this single lever, and you can instantly switch between short, clean cuts or a taller, healthier lawn. No tools, no complicated adjustments, just quick, precise control. The handles are fully adjustable as well, depending on your height. Simply loosen this up, and you can adjust the handles to a little more up or a little more down, depending on your height and leverage. Now let's talk about cutting and cleanup. This mower combines mowing and collection in one system. It has a large 11-gallon grass collection bag, which means fewer stops to empty it and less mess around your yard. The bag also has this neat sensor, so it lifts up when the bag is full, and you know when it's full, and you can kind of peek in there as well. See how much room you got in there before emptying it. You get clean, professional results without raking or extra cleanup afterwards. When you're done, this mower becomes incredibly compact. It folds in just 5 seconds, making it easy to store in a garage, shed, or any small space. And because it uses Wild Badger Power's 40-volt battery system, you can use the same battery and charger across their entire 40-volt tool lineup all year round. So what you're getting here is power, efficiency, fast charging, easy height adjustment, built-in grass collection, and compact storage, all in one machine. It's designed for people who want real cutting performance without dealing with gas, oil, cords, or the maintenance. If you want a mower that makes lawn care easier, faster, and cleaner, this is definitely one to check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.